Conference will now be recorded.
Guys, hope you people are able to see the screen. And we understood how to create the folders and how to build hierarchy. So I hope everybody is clear with this. Anybody is having any doubts, please let me know. If there is any doubts, please put it in the chat box. Okay, so once again, I'll show with the whisker charts. So box and whisker plots. So first I have to take the region over here, and then I wanted the sales value. So as I select these values, and then here you can see the active charts will be there based on my data, what and all charts I can apply. It will be displayed. So I wanted the box and whisker chart. So I'll click on this. Box and whisker charts will appear. So let me bring in the region and drop it over here. So okay, here I have to build the hierarchy. So let me create a hierarchy. So I wanted the region also to be added here. Okay. So based on the region, I wanted to check it for subcategory. I'll drop it in the marks. So I'll get the whisker plots. So yesterday, this was the one what we had done, box and whisker plots. Now, next coming for bubble chart. So now I wanted to apply with the bubble chart. So let me bring in the country. So I'll bring in the country and I wanted to check for the profit. So let me bring in the profit and drop the values over here. So once the values are dropped here, you can see the bubble chart is active. I will click on this bubble chart. So country, I'll drop in the column. So now if from here, if I wanted to apply with the values, so here let me click on. So I wanted to check for the values. So let me drag this profit and drop it in the label. So you can see country wise, I'm able to see the values. Now I wanted to check it as per the state. So sorry, region. And then I wanted to check it as per the state. So I wanted to make it to the entire view. So now as per the requirement, I can apply. So under the this one country, which region, what is which state it is, and how much is the profit that I have gained. So like this, I'll be able to insert the bubble chart. Okay, so this is a bubble chart. So now from this hierarchy, I can expand the details from country to region. From region, I can go with the state. So try with this. So this is bubble chart.
We are simply blackmailing him.
Guys, try with this. If there is any doubts, you let me know. Hope you people have done this. So next, let me bring in the subcategory to the rows. And I wanted to check with the sales. So now here I have inserted a table. I wanted to format. So here you can see highlight tables. So now from here, if I wanted to sort ascending, I can sort the ascending. So highest to the lowest value. So category wise, I wanted to bifurcate. So I can apply the category as well. So category wise. So in this, if I wanted to apply with the region wise, so region wise sales I can apply. So if I wanted to apply with the change with the colors, so I'll click on this drop down, go to edit colors, and from here by default there is one particular color applied automatic. Now I wanted to change it to red to gold. I'll click on apply. Okay. So the highest value is highlighted in the red color and the lowest value in golden color. So this is highlighted tables. So try with this. So region wise. So try with this highlighted tables. If there is any doubts, please let me know. Guys, any doubts, please let me know. Guys, type in one if this is clear. Okay, next let's see how to create the group by measures. Okay, so group by measures, I'm going to take the subcategory and sales. So let me bring in the subcategory and the sales. Okay, so let me sort it ascending. Okay, so now here you can see as per the sales, the values are highlighted in the bar chart, right? So now here less than 40,000, whichever the values are there. So whichever the subcategories are there, I wanted to group it. Okay, so this is group by measures. Based on the measure, I wanted to group the values. So let me select the first value, that is labels. So I wanted to select till the supplies. I'm going to hold the control key and select the subcategory sales. So I'm going to bring in the sales. I'm going to sort ascending. So I wanted to select this one subcategories. So let me select the first one, hold the control key and select the rest of the four. Okay. So now as I have selected, I'll just click on this and here you can see right click, second, third, fourth, fifth. So as I click on this, you can see a small, this one jump clip, like you can see a small symbol. So I wanted to group the members. So as I take the cursor, you can see, so I have taken selected 5 items. So there are 5 items till the supplies I have selected. And based on this, I wanted to group this. Okay, so let me click on group members. So here you can see the values are grouped, and here you can see the 5 values are grouped separately and the others. So when I come here, you can see group member. So there is subcategory one group, it has been created. So now let me name it as group by measures. So I'll take the cursor here, click on this, rename, and let me say this name as group by measures. So group by measures. So here you can see the values are appearing, it is highlighted. So you can try with this. So this is group by measures. Guys, try with this. If you are having any doubts, please let me know. I'll explain you. So now in this, if I wanted to change with the color, I can go click on this drop down, edit colors, and here you can see envelope and the other values. It is in a different color. So now let me select the color. So for others, let me select the other and let me put the color in pink. And for envelopes and this grouped values, so let me take the values in yellow color. So let me keep this in dark color. I'll click on apply. Okay, so like this you can change with the colors also. This is grouping by measures. Guys, try with this. If there is any doubt in this, please let me know. Guys, hope this one is done. Okay, next. So let me take the segment. So I wanted to check for the sales. Okay, let me take the category. So segment wise sales. So I wanted to sort it. I can sort. So from here you have an option to swap. So you can swap the rows and columns. The shortcut key for this is Control W. So now here I wanted to highlight the colors. So let me bring in the category and drop it here in the colors. So let me change with the color over here. Edit colors. So furniture. Let me change the color. Office supplies. Apply and OK. So this one using the swap. So the swap option is available in the ribbon. So try with this. So when I swap again, the rows and columns will get changed like this. From rows to columns, from bar chart to column chart. So try applying the swap. Guys, if there is any doubts, please let me know.
And my foot is not going to.
Okay, guys, let's come and now try with the filters. So let me take the state and I wanted to check the sales. Okay, let me sort it. Instead of state, let me take the category. So now I wanted to apply the filters on the state. Okay, I wanted to check which is the top 3 state that has done the highest sales. So I'll bring in the state and drop it to the filters. Okay, as I drop into the filters here, a dialog box will appear where it is asking how you wanted to apply with the filters. Is it a general filters what you wanted? So let me click on all and click on apply. Okay, so let me tell show filter. So here you can see the filters is applied. So now let me select this. So single value filters. So here you have the different types of options to apply with the filter. So single value filters. So if I'm looking for any particular state, see like this, I can check out. So let me remove the single value filters, select all. Now I wanted to check for the edit filter. Let me go on edit filter. I wanted to check the top 10. Okay, so filter by field, top 10 by sales. I'll click on OK. So top 10 states which has done with the highest sale. Okay, so now if I wanted to check it with top 3, so I'll click on this drop down, go to edit filter and I'll mention top 5. Okay, so top 5 states. Edit filter, top 3. So top 3 states which have done with the highest sales. So let me select all, edit filters. I'll click on none and click on OK. So I'll get back this one. So now in the same way, if I wanted to apply with the country wise sales, so let me remove this state and bring in the country. So country I have bought, and let me bring in the country to the filters as well. So now I wanted to see with the top 3 countries, top 3, apply. Okay. So from here, if I wanted to have the filters, so show filter, here you can see filters will appear. So limit, it has mentioned that top 3 sales we have put. So edit filter, now I wanted to remove it, I'll just keep on general and click on OK. So I'll get back this. So country wise, so I wanted to bifurcate it as per the region and as per the state. So like this I can bifurcate and I can apply the filters. So try applying the filters. Type in 2 if you have understood how to insert the filter. If anybody is having any doubts related to this, please mention it in the chat box. Guys, answer your attendance. In the meantime, you people try with this and let me know if there is any doubts. Kritika? Hitesh?
Present, ma'am.
Nikita?
Present, ma'am.
Vaishnavi?
Present, ma'am.
Nisha? Nisha?
Isha, present, ma'am.
Saida? Saida? Tanya?
Present, ma'am.
Tejashwini? Sakina? Sakina? Kavana? Kavana? Aditi? Aditi? Saida. Saida, yesterday you are present? Gopika?
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Harshita? Kevin? Lakshita? Ilakya? Navya? Nayana? Rachna?
Present, ma'am.
Shriya? Shriya, yesterday you are present, ma?
No, ma'am.
Sneha? Sneha, yesterday and last class you are present? Tasmia? Tasmia, yesterday you were present, yesterday and last class? Nandana? Chavi? Chavi? Hemika?
Present, ma'am.
Prisha, Tanisa, Tanisa, Vanisa, Barrera, Maria,
Present, ma'am.
Arshita R, Annie, Geraldine, Gaganashri,
Present, ma'am.
Sachi, Siddharth, Savana is present. Savana. Siddharth is present. Akshaya, Alok, Krishna, Asba, Nimra, Shazia, Shreya, Shreya, Pallavi, Gaganashri, I have marked your attendance mark. Okay, next coming for group by dimensions. Category and sales. So let me sort ascending. So now here you saw based on the measures I had grouped. Now based on the dimensions I wanted to group. So as I told, dimensions is nothing but the text based value what I have, and measures was the numerical based values. Now I wanted to group the same five this one subcategories based on the dimension. So now, so previously I had clicked on the chart lines, right? So like this I have selected. Now this time, so let me click on the dimension names. So I will select the first one, hold the control key and select the other five, and I wanted to group it. So now this will be group by members, and here let me mention it as, so I'll rename it to group by dimensions. So now here you can see, so the grouped value is here. So let me apply with the color. So let me bring in this dimensions and drop it to the colors. So all the values are highlighted. Now let me go to edit color. So let me select this particular, this one, and apply with a different color. So now here you can see I have applied with the colors. So this is group by dimensions. Try with this. Any doubts, please let me know. So in this only, if I wanted to apply with the filters, I can take the region. So I wanted it for all. Apply. Okay. Show filters. So now in this, I wanted to check only for central region, south region. So central, north, south. So how the sales is happening based on the region. So if I don't need it, so I'll click on this, remove from the filters. Now state wise, I wanted to apply the filters. So I wanted to see top 5 states. Apply. Okay. So let me say show filter. So once after grouping by dimension, try with applying the filters. So category wise. Show filter. Furniture. Only office supplies. Based on technology. I wanted to check it for all. So like this, as per the requirement, you can bring in the details to the filters and you can apply the filters on this.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ
Guys, hope you people have understood with the things whatever we have covered.